Hi, good morning, everybody, today. How are you all doing? I'm really glad to be part of this conference, and I thank my organizers. And when they asked me to talk on how this convergence of five major technologies are helping business in terms of agility, I cannot say more, and you can yourself relate with it. The, the way we are looking at agility is not an option, it is a game changer today. And convergence of cloud, social, mobile, video, and big data is enabling us to drive with agility. If we step back and start thinking about where we came from, we are in the fifth era of computing. We came from mainframe, as we all know, centralized computing. Then we went on to distributed computing, and we evolved with the PCs. And now, guess what? We are all carrying tablet, PCs, smartphones, and whatnot. So the way the whole new generation is going towards, our businesses need to change rapidly as well. Think of the connected devices. All we are thinking that world would be connected with everything. When I say everything, is literally everything. Even the dead object like water bottle would be connected with RFID tag. And think of connected cars, think of connected homes and smart meters. All that is giving us the data, and that data is giving intelligence. So the way the industry is evolving, we need to embrace to our advantage. And look at the connected cars, the drones. Now, recently we heard Google has announced to have the drones and the connected cars. Then you are looking at Amazon, which is going to have the shipment and delivery of the goods with the drones coming and shipping everything on the doorstep. Is it not fascinating? And think of, as a business owners, as the C-level executives, what one has to do. I remember those days, those eras, when I was talking to most of the senior executives, and they're saying, "Oh, look, internet is not for us. It's for consumers to browse the email and to look at all those." And today, internet is the mainstay. Everything is revolving around that, right? Now, look back again, and when we are looking at cloud computing, people again said, is it going to be everything on cloud? And now cloud is the mainstay again. And we all are talking about delivering applications and services over the cloud, meaning taking the complexity away and giving the whole business benefits to the business owners. So think of cloud coming in as a mainstream, leveraging internet. And then we are talking about the social, mobile, and the data which is giving us the intelligence. And look at the statistics today. We are now looking at the internet is penetrating the masses. Looking at the use of the social, looking use of the mobile devices, and using all those is helping people to be more agile and to be more proactive to do customer intelligence services. Now, we have certainly entered the new era of business. The new era of business where if we don't change, somebody else will, and you will be out of the business. So it's not an option to just stay back and see what others are doing. Rather, embrace them. How can we embrace cloud? How can we embrace social? How can we make social and listen to what customers are saying on the Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn? Think of the mobile devices. We are all carrying these smart devices on the pocket, right? And you all communicate to your customer partners and your team members. Think of the video. Now, video is generated over the telephone these days. You just create the clip and then transmit over the wire, and then suddenly you are communicating with the right target audience. And all this communication on which we are doing is generating the data which was never there in the past. Remember, we had only the transaction data managed and archived, stored, processed on the relational database. And today, this data, which is coming out of the video, the social, the weblog, and the sensors, These are unstructured data. And these unstructured data have a lot of meaning and intelligence which we need to mine, process, analyze to give you the predictive intelligence. So that is the whole theme which we are working in. If we have leverage of this combined converged technology, the business would be more agile and leading and offering the services to the customer from the front, and they will have competitive successful advantage. Now, obviously, we have to look at what is the term business agility. To some, it means quick response to change. That means cloud has come in and many people are deploying application on cloud. You cannot wait and watch. You need to make change and you have to transform your business processes and application to make this on cloud. And the other way to look at it, innovation via collaboration to be able to anticipate challenges and opportunities before they occur. So when customers are asking something, we need to preempt. We need to look at before that customer need becomes firm. And then we have to offer the right solutions and services, and that preempt or forecasting or looking at the things from the future lens. If we do that, I'm sure we are more agile, and that's the theme which we are driving in the book, which we have just released, and that is available on Amazon, and now it's all available for your access. I'm really looking forward to talking to you more and see how we can offer more detail.